Hey y'all, I'm Evren. Have you ever tried counting all the helpers in America? I did once, but I ran out of fingers and toes really fast. Think about it. Police officers, firefighters, teachers, and especially rescue workers are all people who just want to help those in need. I don't know if you've looked at the calendar lately, but the 4th of July is coming up. It's the day we fill the sky with fireworks, fire up the girls, and sometimes have little mishaps. But every time there's an oops, rescue workers jump into action, saving the day again and again, which means they have to stay on duty for big holidays like 4th of July. That means some of the best people in America don't even get the day off to celebrate America. That doesn't seem fair to me. So to be a global game changer, I'm taking my talent in baking and my heart for the rescue badge to make some sweet treats for these rescue workers this July 4th. This is how I ignite good. I think helping people means so much to me because my dad was in the Navy. I guess that's also why I'm excited to help first responders for this 4th of July. It's the most patriotic holiday there is. So what should I bake for these rescue workers? It should be something fun, tasty, and maybe even themed for the holiday. Rescue workers do so much for us every day. They all deserve their own cake. But that's a lot of cakes, and all I have is one pan. Wait a minute. Cakes. Pan. Pancakes. Eureka! I'll make very tasty, very patriotic red, white, and blueberry pancakes. Let's get baking. To make my pancakes, I'll need eggs, milk, flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, almonds, cinnamon, chopped strawberries, blueberries, and of course, the best parts of any pancake or food in general, butter and syrup. First, we have to make our pancake mix. To start, I'll add 1.5 cup flour. Then, I throw in 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. After that, 1 tablespoon of white sugar goes in there along with a pinch of salt. Then, I make a little hole in the middle of all that and add the sloppy stuff. 1.25 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and an egg. I like to spice up my pancakes, so I'm gonna add cinnamon and along with some almonds for texture. Next, let's get the griddle nice and hot. That way, the pancakes can take shape quickly. You might want to ask a grown-up for this part. Actually, you definitely do. Stoves are no joke. After I've got my mix on the griddle, I add the strawberries to be the red part of my pancakes and the blueberries to be, well, the blue. We did it. We got to my favorite part of making pancakes, the flipping. And there we have it. If that doesn't make you say, God bless America, I don't know what will. Now it's time to package my pancakes for delivery for the rescue workers. I have 1 box for each person. Oh, and I've also added a pat of butter and a little cup of syrup. Gotta give people options. I brought my patriotic pancakes to a local firehouse to share them with firefighters. Hopefully, it will make them feel appreciated this 4th of July. After all, without them, America wouldn't be what it is. I want to be just like them when I grow up. Now it's your turn. How can you use your talent to help a cause that your heart cares about? Thank you for watching, and remember that every day you can bake up a plan to help ignite good. What's your superpower?